Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to change your Snapchat password. Whether you want to improve your account security or update an old password, this tutorial is for you. On your Snapchat dashboard, start by tapping your profile icon in the upper left corner. From there, tap the gear icon to open your settings. This will take you to your account settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you are in your Snapchat account settings, scroll down until you find the option to change your password. Tap on it to get started. Here, enter your new password and confirm it. Once you have done that, tap Change Password, and your password will be updated right away. This is a simple way to keep your account secure and your personal information protected. And that's it. You now know how to change your Snapchat password.